2030. It sounds like a distant future, a date on a calendar that we don't need to worry about yet. But in the world of business, 2030 is tomorrow, and for the majority of small business owners, it represents a looming deadline that most will not survive. We are entering the Great Filter, a period in human history where the divide between the traditional and the automated becomes a canyon too wide to cross. It's called the AI gap. While giant corporations are spending billions to integrate artificial intelligence, the local shop, the family-owned agency, and the independent contractor are falling behind at a staggering rate. Today, we aren't just talking about a change in technology. We're talking about the extinction of the old way of doing business. Welcome to Blueprint Insights. Today, we decode why most small businesses will fail by 2030 and how you can make sure yours isn't one of them. The efficiency trap. The reason for this mass failure isn't that small business owners aren't hardworking, it's that hard work has been redefined. In the old blueprint, success was about grit, manual labor, and personal touch. In 2025, success is about ruthless efficiency. Imagine you run a local marketing agency. You have 5 employees doing research, writing copy, and managing ads. Now, imagine a competitor, a lean agency run by 1 person and 10 autonomous AI agents. This competitor has 90% lower overheads, works 24/7, and responds to clients in milliseconds. They can charge half your price and still make triple your profit. This is the efficiency trap. You aren't fighting a better businessman, you're fighting a better system. By 2030, the cost of being human only will simply be too high to stay in business. The data divide. But the gap goes deeper than just speed. It's about data. Large corporations are using AI to predict exactly what their customers want before they even know it. They are optimizing their supply chains, their pricing, and their customer retention with surgical precision. Small businesses, on the other hand, are still operating on gut feeling and messy spreadsheets. In 2025, data is the bloodline of profit. The AI gap means that while the big players are getting smarter every second, the small players are staying stagnant. When an AI can predict a local market shift weeks in advance, the business owner who reacts only when the shift happens has already lost. The divide isn't just about who has the better tools, it's about who has the better brain running their operations. The blueprint for survival. So is the future hopeless for the small entrepreneur? Absolutely not. In fact, for those who see the gap, this is the greatest opportunity in a century. The same AI that is threatening to crush the unprepared is the same AI that gives a solo founder the power of a Fortune 500 company. The blueprint for survival in 2030 is simple. You must become AI native. You don't need $1 million budget. You need to start automating the repetitive, the mundane, and the data-heavy tasks today. Whether it's AI-driven customer support, automated lead generation, or predictive inventory management, the tools are already here. The small businesses that survive will be the ones that stop viewing AI as a threat and start viewing it as their most valuable employee. The filter is closing. Which side will you be on? 2030 isn't the end. It's a new beginning for those who adapt. The AI gap is a choice. You can either be swallowed by it or you can build a bridge over it. At Blueprint Insights, our mission is to provide you with the plans to build that bridge. The old rules are gone, the new ones are being written in code. If you're ready to master the future of business and stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to Blueprint Insights. Don't just watch the future happen, own it. Thank you for watching.